Pacific Printing, we've been in business over 30 years. What started off as a small offset press company has now become a full service provider in litho, digital, and mailing. We were originally a full Komori shop, 2 half-size presses here. We had a capacity problem. We had the need for large capacity in a short amount of time. And when we got our first 945 RMGT, it brought a bunch of efficiencies. We were so happy with the efficiencies that it gave us, we decided to invest in a 8-color press. Previously, a lot of our short run work was digital. The ability to get to color quickly enabled us to move a lot of that work over to offset onto the RMGT press. And it really changed the capabilities for us as far as what we were able to gang run and put on press in a short amount of time. We really kind of the line for us used to be somewhere around 500 to 1,000 units was where we would kind of print digitally versus offset. And so now we're finding even down to 250 units, we'll print offset versus digital. So we've been able to move a lot of work from digital to offset.
Last December, Pacific Printing integrated Instacolor 2.0 with the Lithoflash System on their first RMGT 9 series. It gave them some pretty great benefits of making sure the first sheet looked like the 10th sheet, looked like the 100,000th sheet, and really being able to offer that to their customers and know that in the back of their mind, every sheet that they sell is a quality sheet.
Located in San Jose, employees are a valuable commodity here, and being able to be as efficient as possible is super critical for us. We invested in LED UV technology because it really made sense for us. Again, it's low to no VOCs. It enabled us to go straight off the press to bindery in a quick amount of time. Typically, when we coated something, it's a mess. There's powder, it's high energy. This enabled us to go from the press directly to cutting, or turn a sheet and go right through the press again with very little time. We've been able to greatly improve our turn time, and we've been able to increase our throughput because there is no waiting. Whereas before, with a heavy solid sheet, even with coating, we would have to let it sit. And so this has enabled us, as soon as that LED hits that ink, it is dry. And we can turn a sheet or go straight to bindery, and saves us quite a bit of time.
It's been awesome watching Pacific Printing grow from 2 half-size presses into now 2 full-size RMGT 9 series presses, one of them being a long Perfector, and what it's been able to open up for their revenue and vertical markets for their company.
So that was our big value add for this press. It was power consumption, it was the footprint, and the value of the press that really made us decide this is a press for us.